ready? Cool.
Okay, don't be afraid.
My name's Erin. You guys are welcome to walk with us. Okay. Where are you from? California? Very cool.
Colorado City.
Davis, California? Very cool. I like that. I was born in Long Beach, California.
Oh, were you?
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, we're originally
we're from Southern
Very
California.
Yep. Where I'm more recently from Oregon.
Ah.
How long are you guys here for?
Oh, good.
Okay.
Last day here, we're going to Yellowstone for a week.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, it's good to kind of do them in two parts. Do your full attention here, full attention there.
Yeah.
Yeah.